Hey everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're going to learn how to say I, you, he, and she in Arabic. Alright, now let's look at table 1 to see how we can do that. As you can see from the table, the word for I is ana. Ana. And then when it comes to you, we have two kinds of you in Arabic. We have the masculine you when we're talking to a guy, and then we have the feminine you when we're talking to a girl. The masculine is anta, anta, and the feminine is anti, anti. He is huwa, huwa, and she is hiya, hiya. Alright, now let's look at the second table to see how to turn the masculine word into a feminine word. This is really important in Arabic because Arabic is a language where everything is either a guy or a girl. So this is going to come up a lot. Alright, so the first word is tabib. Tabib. This means a male doctor or a guy doctor. Now let's see how we can turn that into a female doctor or a girl doctor. In order to do that, we need to add at to the end of our word. So tabib plus at, tabibat. Tabibat. That means a female doctor. Alright, now about the sound t at the end of tabibat, we can leave that out if you want, if the t, the letter t, is the last letter in our word. So there's two ways to say a female doctor. We can either say tabibat, tabibat, or tabiba, tabiba. So we can pronounce the t, or we can just leave it out if you want. Alright, now let's look at the second word. Muallim. Muallim. This means a male teacher. Now let's see how we can say a female teacher. Muallim plus at, or plus a. Muallimat. Muallimat, or muallima. Muallima. Alright, awesome. Now that we know some grammar, let's move on to the vocabulary table to learn the words for this lesson. I'm going to read the English first and then the Arabic. Alright, number 1, doctor. Tabib. Teacher. Muallim. Engineer. Muhandis. Driver. سائق. Student. طالب. Nurse. ممرض. Photographer. مصور. Manager. مدير. Cook. طباخ. Alright, great. Now that we know some vocabulary and grammar, let's move on to the sample sentences to put together your first sentences in Arabic. Alright, number 1, I'm a male student. أنا طالب. 2, he's a manager. هو مدير. 3, she's a photographer. هي مصورة. 4, you are a male driver. أنت سائق. 5, she's a teacher. هي معلمة. 6, he's a cook. هو طباخ. 7, I'm a female student. أنا طالبة. 8, I'm a male teacher. أنا معلم. 9, you're a female cook. أنتِ طباخة. 10, she's a nurse. هي ممرضة. 11, he is a doctor. هو طبيب. 12, you are a female manager. أنتِ مديرة. 13, he is a photographer. هو مصور. 14, you are a male nurse. أنت ممرض. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Arabic is not a very difficult language to learn if you're willing to put in the effort, so make sure you practice what we learned in this lesson over and over again until you're comfortable with everything. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them in the comment section and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.